Alright, this video is going to look at some multiple choice questions, number 13 and 14. Which equation shows P varies inversely as Q? So remember, when you see the word varies, we're going to put equals K. So P equals K inversely means a division sign as Q. Okay, so this is what I have. P equals K divided by Q. What I'm going to do is actually look at my answer choices. And anytime you have something being added or subtracted, you're going to go ahead and remember that's not variation. It has to go through the origin, so we're going to cross that out. We're going to cross A out. And then, so I'm left with C or D. And if I look at this, neither one of them look like the way that I have it written, especially not D. Because here, a constant is being divided by Q, and this one, a constant is being multiplied by Q. So I'm going to see if there's a way for me to make this that I have right handwritten look something like C. So if I multiply each side by Q, I get PQ is equal to a constant. And that's what happens with C. K is just 10, but I have P times Q on the left side, so C would be my best choice. For number 14, what are the asymptotes for the graph of y equals 2 over x plus 18 minus 7? Well, let's just go ahead and graph this on our calculator. So 2 divided by, we put x plus 18 in parentheses, and then minus 7 after that. Graph. Okay. That's not really descriptive on the graph, so I'm going to hit zoom out, which is option 3. Hit enter one more time. Okay, so that's very apparent of what we've seen before. So what I notice is my vertical asymptote is a negative number. So what I'm going to do is x has to equal a negative number. So I can cross out C. Okay. And y also is going to equal a negative number. Okay? Because notice that there's an imaginary dotted horizontal line here, and it's going through a negative y value. So y equals a negative number. So I can cross out A. So I have B and D left. Now, what I know is x, the vertical asymptotes come from the bottom. So if I set the bottom equal to 0, x equals negative 18. So let me see out of the choices that are left, which one x is equal to negative 18. Well, that would be D. Okay, B is out, so my only one left is now D, and that would be my answer. Alright, so remember, make sure you guys go ahead and talk to your teacher in case you don't understand any of these, and hopefully we're getting through this review pretty easily.